Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing in with an account that has edit rights. This is how you avoid permission errors. Once logged in, make a quick backup of the page or database so you can revert if needed. Next, find the file or CMS page you need to change, pages, templates, or the server path via FTP. Open the correct editor, whether the Visual Builder or Code View, and prepare any assets you'll add. This gets you ready to make safe, reversible edits. Now you actually change the content. Replace text, swap images, and update links while keeping SEO tags and headings intact because search visibility matters. If you alter forms or JavaScript, test validation and analytics to prevent broken conversion tracking. Use the staging environment for these edits so your live site stays stable. Commit changes to version control or save CMS revisions so you have checkpoints. Once everything looks correct in staging, you'll prepare to push changes live to complete the workflow. When you're ready, deploy during a low traffic period and clear server, CMS, and CDN caches so visitors see updates immediately. Verify the change across browsers, devices, and user roles to confirm permissions and layout. Check the browser console for script errors and monitor analytics for unexpected drops. If something breaks, restore the backup or revert the CMS revision. That's the fastest recovery. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.